awesome is this route? I'm stealing this. Absolutely mega. Mintier than a minty thing with mints all over it. Shut as you like. No coffees for us. Tour guide's number plate's BJ18. Such a child. Oh, hey Cardo, radio off. Slightly annoying. Oh, this is looking very much like Board Ferry. Oh, you mother trucker.
Work anymore. I can't fake it. I am hurt to the core. And they're catching up.
Oh, are we winning? Are we winning? Back we go. We've got absolutely no chance. Deja vu. Bit of Hannah Montana. Can't beat a bit of Hannah Montana. So ein Hunger.
Sean hat wieder sein Lieblingsgericht, Scharnitzel.
Aha. So, just had lunch, waft it down. Whatever, innit? The sun has definitely buggered off. What time is it? 3 o'clock? God. As far as I know, we haven't, the tour guide hasn't chopped off any of the route because we're late. I think we're just going to be late at home. Hey up, that looks a bit twisty. Full tank of gas. Good to go. Nearly 40 bucks. Jesus Christ. Well, the XR, the more you break it in, or I've done just over 2,000 Ks on it, the better it is on fuel. Showing me now full tank of fuel, 362 kilometres. That's not bad. 5.7 litres to 100 kilometres from the last fuel stop this morning. Not half bad. The Super GO was slightly better on fuel than this, but only slightly. Well, 5.7 is fully acceptable. Back to work tomorrow, damn it. I had a week off over Easter, and then the second week I had the COVID. They're looking forward to next weekend because I'm away for the whole weekend, so not all is bad. Tell a lie on the distance of this trip, you know. I've done 260 Ks already. It's going to be about 350, I reckon. Whoopsala. Oh, you fucker. Bowled it straight into the hole. Right, it looks that it's turn right, turn right, turn right, turn right, turn right. No, we dipped out. Crampy, cramp. Right on the inner thigh. Oh, it's a bad to get rid of. Is it me or is it looking proper miserable? Jesus. Hej Connor. Warte mal. Bist du noch da? Nee, ich hatte die ganze Zeit keinen Empfang. Also wir sind gerade angehalten und jetzt habe ich es wieder. Wir sind auf jeden Fall auf dem Rückweg. Wir sind gar nicht, weiß nicht, kurz vor Lemgo oder irgendwas. Also eine Stunde dauert es bestimmt noch. Right, we're down to the last part of the tour. That was the last break, so no more stoppage from now until when I get home. Last battery in the camera. The day is drawing to an end. Oh, we're obviously going the shit way back. It's only about 45 minutes to where I live, but some twistiness over to the right hand side there, but we're rinsing it up this dual carriageway. Nobody wants to watch that. I don't want to ride it. Oh, I was way off with the kilometres that we're riding today. 380 have done since this morning. We're still not anywhere near home yet. Probably another 40 minutes or so. So it's a good long day. Could have done some better roads on the way back now. Well guys, I think I'm going to end the video there. The tour guide has obviously decided this last hour of riding we're just going to egg it on these crap roads, long and straight, so probably a good time as any to end the video there. Hopefully you've enjoyed the ride out. The day has been a bit of a stonker, apart from this last hour of course. We have managed to stay dry for the majority of the day. If you liked what you saw, then be sure to leave me a thumbs up down below. If you didn't like it, then by all means leave me a thumbs down. Bung any comments, questions, queries you want to in the comments section below. We'll have a bit of a chin wag. But until next time, I will see you in the next one. I've been Sean. See you out there. Ta-da.